Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to take the new concept of this chapter, and that concept is periodic trends and properties. Okay, so what do we mean by periodicity? We have already learnt about periodicity. Now what is periodicity? See, the repetition of the properties of elements of the properties of element at after certain intervals when the elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic numbers, is known as periodicity. This is the definition of periodicity, and we have earlier also learnt about periodicity. Okay, so why this? What is the periodicity? When the properties of an element after some interval, elements are arranged in such a way that when they are arranged in increasing atomic orders, then there is some repetition of the properties. So this is only called the periodicity. Now what is the cause of periodicity? We have discussed earlier in previous classes also. The cause of periodicity is its electronic configuration. Cause of periodicity is its electronic configuration. And what do you mean by electronic configuration? What is it? See, electronic configuration is nothing but it is the arrangement of distribution of electrons in the shells of an element. Okay, that is called electronic configuration. So what is it? The definition of electronic configuration. What does it mean? Okay, so the arrangement, it is important to note what is the definition of electronic configuration. We are going to discuss about it time and again. The arrangement or distribution of electrons in various energy levels in an atom is called electronic configuration. Is called its electronic configuration. Okay, or we can call it electronic structure also. Okay, so because of this electronic configuration, since it changes periodically when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number, and this periodic change is responsible for the periodicity in properties. Okay, so to find out what kind of properties are being repeated, or to just check what are the various periodic trends in properties, we are to take further concept. So first periodic trend in properties that we are going to discuss is valency. is valency or and valence electrons. So valence electrons and valency. You know what is valence electrons? What do you mean by valence electrons? See, first we are going to discuss about valence electrons and then later on with about valency. Okay. Now, what do you mean by valence electrons? See, valence electrons are the number of electrons which are present in the valence shell. Valence shell. The electrons total, or we can say number of electrons in valence shell. What do you mean by valence shell? Valence shell is the outermost shell present in the element. When we discuss about, let's say, element atomic number of any element, for example sodium, atomic number is 11. According to Bohr and Bury, how we distribute the electrons how the electrons are arranged. So what is the electronic configuration? So if you remember your 9th class, 2n square is the formula. Okay, in first shell 2 electrons, in second shell it can accommodate 8 and 1 is left, so it will go in the third shell. So KLM. Now this M shell is called the valence shell in case of sodium. But if I discuss about lithium, 3. Atomic number is 3. 2, 1. So this KL. L is the valence shell. Okay. So what is valence shell? The outermost shell present in the element, the number of shells which are present in an element, and the outermost shell represents the valence shell. Now, what do you mean by valence electrons? The electrons which are present in the valence shell. Okay, the number of electrons present in the valence shell are known as valence electrons. Okay, so let us see what is the condition of valence electrons in group as well as periods. So we are going to discuss about both the property or the periodic trend in properties. First we are discussing about valence electrons. So when we discuss about valence electrons in a group, how to find out? For this, let us see what is the arrangement or what is the layout of the group. They are the vertical columns of the periodic table. Okay, so let us take some references, some examples, some cases. Let us take group 1. Okay, in it the number of electrons, the number of elements which are present. Let us see: lithium, sodium, potassium. We will just stick to 3 only. Now what is the atomic number? 3. Then it is 11. This is 19. What is the electronic configuration? 2, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 8, 1. Okay. We are discussing about the electronic configuration. Now how many electrons are present in the outermost shell or the valence shell? There is 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. So what we can say? When we move down the group, when we move down from top to bottom in the group, the valence electrons, they remain same. They remain same. They do not change. So this is the property now, property of valence electrons. It does not change. It remains same in a group when we move from top to bottom. See, this is second group, second period, third period, fourth period. How we can tell? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shells, so fourth period. 1, 2, 3. 3 shells, so third period. 2 shells, so 2 periods. Second period. Okay, but they lie all in same group, group 1. Okay, so number of electrons are same. The number of shells may be increasing, but the number of electrons in the outermost shell are same. So we can say that when we move in a group from top to bottom, the valence electrons, they remain same, they do not change. Now what about period? In case of period, okay, now we are going to study about variation of this property valence electrons in a period. Okay, how it varies in a period. Let us see. What are periods first of all? Periods are the horizontal rows of periodic table. Horizontal rows. Okay, means the rows which are seen like this. How many periods are there? 7 periods. Fine. So, in them, we are going to find out how the valence electrons vary. Let us see. Let us take some elements of one period. Let us take the period number 2. Period 2. Okay. In this, let us see one by one. Lithium, beryllium, then boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and last one is neon. Fine. Now, what about atomic number of lithium? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us write the electronic configuration. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. Now what is the thing that you observed? The period number is 2. And how many shells are there from lithium till neon? There are 2. 2 shells here, 2 here, 2 here. Till here only 2 shells are there. So it means what is happening? In outermost shell or valence shell, which is the outermost shell now, second one. How the number of electrons are varying in it. First, lithium has 1 electron. Now the second electron is added. Here 3, here 4 are there, 5 are there, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, it means what? 2 in the inner one, all these 2. Now, when it is the case of lithium, 1 electron is there. When we are talking about beryllium, then 2 electrons. If we are talking about boron, then 3 electrons. If we discuss about carbon, then 4 electrons. If we discuss about nitrogen, 5 electrons. If oxygen, 6, then fluorine, 7 and neon, 8. So in all, how many electrons? Starting from lithium till neon, in this valence shell only the electrons are being added, and till when they are being added? Until and unless the octet is complete. Okay, so what do you think? How the number of electrons are varying in a period? Are they remaining same like the group, or they are changing? Yes, they are changing. And how they are changing? It is increasing from in the period as we move from left to right. Fine. When we move from left to right, the number of electrons are increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm encircling them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The number of electrons are increasing one by one. So, what we can say, the valence electrons in a period increases as we move from left to right. Okay, when we move from left to right, the number of electrons increases. And what about group? It remains same when we move from top to bottom. So this is how we can explain the concept of valence electrons in a group as well as period. Okay, so this is about the valence electrons in a period and group. Okay.